Hello, good morning everyone. It's 2:06 in the morning and right now nakasakay kami sa isang Grab taxi and we're on our way to NAIA Terminal 3. Our flight is at 6:45 AM pa naman pero mas gusto na namin pumunta ng maaga sa airport. Anyway, today we are flying with Jetstar Asia and we're going to Osaka, Japan. So ito yung mga maleta namin ngayon. It's 2:38 in the morning and I'm here at the NAIA International Airport. Terminal 3. So yan, aalis na naman ako but this time it's gonna be with the whole family. So that is the queue for Jetstar Asia. It's 3:50 AM and magbubukas na raw yung mga check-in counters. Wow, ang aga na namin dito pero marami pa rin mas maaga sa amin. Hand carry ko is gonna be checked in for free. Well, full flight daw kasi. And medyo limited lang daw yung overhead bin space nila. Kaya chine-check in nila for free yung medyo bulky na hand carry luggage. Pero they don't do that all the time naman. So anyway, Jetstar is very strict with their hand carry baggage allowance. So talagang dapat 7 kilos lang. So nandito na kami sa departure gate namin. So bago ka makapasok dito, you will queue again for another security check ng mga hand carry luggage mo. Okay, boarding na namin. We're boarding now. So this is an Airbus A320 with a 3-3 seat configuration. So this airplane comes with gray leather seats. Well, sabi ng iba, luma na daw yung upholstery ng nasakyan nilang Jetstar, no? Pero ito, so far, hindi naman. So, ito yung seat pocket nila na usually nakikita natin sa may bottom part. Siyempre, wala siyang in-flight entertainment screen. So, nandito yung flight safety card. Meron ding barf bag. May magazine din. And then, may menu rin dito in case you want to order some food. So, tara, let's check the lavatory. Yan. So, this is the lavatory. Ayan. So, yan siya. So, anyway, lalabas na ako dahil malapit na mag-taxi ang airplane. So, the seat pitch in this aircraft is 29 inches. So, bali yung seat pitch ko dito refers to the space between my seat and the seat in front of me. So, yan yung space para sa legs ko. Pwede na. Yung ibang budget airlines nga, 28 inches lang ang seat pitch eh. Ito, nakakapag-cross legs pa ako. Okay, so we are now taxiing. So there, we are taking off now. So far, so good. Departure is actually on time. Bye, Philippines, for now. So today is Palm Sunday, April 13, 2025. And for the third time, bumiyahin na naman ulit ang family namin during the Holy Week. Dito lang kasi kami talaga lahat available. Yun nga lang, mas mataas yung airfare namin. So anyway, I paid 132,665 for the 5 of us. Tapos wala pang kasamang food yan, ha? Pero may kasamang baggage na yan. So we purposely did not order food online for this flight kasi gusto ng mga kids mag-early breakfast sa airport. Kaya after mag-check-in kanina, we had breakfast at Pancake House. So ito yung tira kong pancake. Kakainin ko na lang to maya-maya. So yan, umorder si hubby ng Coke Zero and chocolates for the kids. Yung Coke Zero, I think it's about 4 Singaporean dollars each. Actually, medyo may kamahalan yung food nila when you order online. Ang range ng meal nila is between 700 to 800 pesos. Anyway guys, kung may baong kayong food na galing sa mga restaurants sa airport natin, kainin nyo na lahat sa loob ng airplane kasi bawal magdala ng food sa Japan, especially kung meat. So, what do I think about flying with Jetstar? Would I recommend it? Yeah, why not? So, if you're looking for a budget airline with a good legroom, pwede na to. Walang entertainment system? Okay lang. Dala ka na lang ng sarili mo mga downloaded movies. Stricto daw sila pagdating sa baggage policies. Well, sumunod na lang tayo, diba? The plane naman was clean. Wala naman akong naamoy na something off. And the flight attendants naman were nice. They're very helpful. Plus, the landing was really smooth. Ayan na. Touchdown. What a smooth landing. Welcome to Japan! So guys, you might want to consider Jetstar Asia for your future flight to Japan. This is a low-cost carrier, kaya do not expect so much. Everything is just basic. What's important is your safety. And if you look online, Jetstar Asia has a good safety record. And for me, yun talaga ang importante. So anyway, if you're looking for another low-cost carrier going to Japan, I also have another in-flight experience video with Zip Air. Ito yung travel namin to Japan last year. So anyway, hanggang dito na lang. This is Nell. Bye!